How to fix Messenger not sending messages. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Messenger not sending messages. First, go to Settings. Now scroll down and tap on General. Here, go to iPhone Storage. Once it is open, here search Messenger. Now you need to offload the app. It will delete the app but keep its documents and data. Now to follow the second method, you need to open the App Store. Here, search for Messenger. Open the app and make sure you have its latest version. If there is any new update available, download it on your device. Lastly, make sure your phone is connected to an active internet connection. Try to switch your internet connection with either cellular data or different Wi-Fi. This will fix the problem you're facing while using the Messenger app. So simply go ahead and try to send a message on Messenger. As you can see, the problem has been fixed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.